Welcome beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's a lovely Friday afternoon and we've got the rain pouring outside. If you're new here, I'm Katashi. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you a little trick of how to make carrot cake the easy way. So here are my ingredients. My 4 eggs. If you're wondering what that white stuff is in the egg, I put lime juice in there as to kill the rawness. And my carrots, flour, and everything else that we need. So let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to be adding to the blender is my eggs. Then my sugar and my oil. Then we're going to blend this up. Can y'all hear the thunder outside? After blending that up, I'm going to add my carrots to the mixture. And this is 3 carrots, 3 large carrots by the way. So I'm now going to transfer my liquid to the bowl. And make sure to get everything out the bowl. I'm going to add all my spices. My liquid spices is that. We're going to give it a nice little mix. Should I color, guys? Yeah. I got really a draw feeling today. That's what we normally say when the thunder rolling. We always say God is drawing his chair. First, we're just going to give this a little mix to make sure everything is mixed properly. So we're going to do the cut and fold motion until all the dry is incorporated into the wet. At this point you could add in your raisins, your nuts, and all of them nice things there, but today I'm just showing you the basic. So we're just going to do without them. Okay? Now make sure to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. We'll be baking this for approximately 40 to 45 minutes. So alright people, nobody come for me for the lining of the baking tin. I'm not perfect in that area. So now I'm going to pour my butter in there. I'm just going to give this a slight little tap to release the bubbles that is at the bottom of it. Now I'm going to place this bad boy into the oven. See you guys in 40 to 45 minutes. So guys, our carrot cake is finally finished. It actually took 40 minutes, not 45. And this is how we're looking. It's still hot. So I'm gonna make it cool and then I'm going to show you how it's looking. Well, there you have it, guys. Carrot cake made in a blender. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to also comment down below. You can also comment down below on the type of videos that you'd like to see me make on my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!